Hey guys, today I want to show you how I solved the problem I had with my skirt waist because it stretched. I think that's like a very usual problem with waistbands that are crocheted. So we can actually use an elastic or other options, but I decided to fix the problem with the yarn because I don't like to use different materials except for the buttons, of course. Those are my special favorite. So what I did was I made 3 rows of slip stitches on the waist. So the waist is crocheted vertically, and I made 3 horizontal lines with slip stitches. So here I have the other side that I haven't done yet, and here I'm going to show you how I did it. So I was crocheting this waistband with a 3mm crochet hook, and it's very sturdy and tight, so I can't really insert the hook here, like it's very hard into the stitch. So that's why I decided I will insert the hook here. That's like under the each row. So to start, we're gonna attach the yarn like this. And now I'm gonna start working like 1 slip stitch in each row. Like these are half double crochets, and this is 1 row, and the second one, and the third one. So I will insert the hook in between the rows, yarn over and pull through, and pull through the loop that is on my hook, like this, and then the next one. Yeah, sometimes it's kind of hard to find the right spot, but believe me, you get used to it after the first row of slip stitches. So this is it. If you want to see how it looks on the other side when you're done, it's like this, and this is the side that I haven't done yet. So I can also show you how does the length change if I compare the one that I haven't done yet and the one that I did. It's a few centimeters difference. So this is the difference, like 5 centimeters, which is actually perfect for me. It's not that the skirt was too big, it was just that it stretched a bit after I was wearing it for the first time. And I like to wear my skirts a little higher on my waist, and I really like the solution I came up with. Let me know if you test it, try it on your skirts. You can also use it on any waistband like pants, shorts, and so on. So I hope you like this tip. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you. Bye.